Now I want to discuss with you how to find the distance of a point from a line, or what is the method of finding the distance of a line from a given point. In general, first I am explaining you, then I will let you know with the help of one example that if this is the point P, its coordinates are x1, comma y1, and this is the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, and we want to find the distance of this line from the point P whose coordinates are x1 and y1. So the method is very simple, that what is the equation is given, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is the equation of that line whose distance from the point x1 y1 is required to calculate. Approach: in place of x in the equation put x1, this become ax1, and in place of y put y1, this become vy1, plus c, and divide it by the sum of a square and b square and their square root. What are a square, b square? A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y, and take its mod. This is the formula, method, approach of finding the distance of a line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 from a point px1 comma y1, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square, that is in place of x and y put the values x1 and y1, that is the coordinates from where the distance is required, and divide by the square root of sum of squares of the coefficients of x and y. Take its mod, as distance is always taken to be positive. I would like to explain you with the help of one of the example. Suppose there is a point P, values, that is coordinates, are say for example -1, 2, and we want to find the distance of a line whose equation is 6x plus 8y plus 3 is equals to 0. Here x1, the value of x1 is -1, because x1 is the coordinate abscissa from where we want to find the distance, and y1 is 2. x1 and y1 are -1 and 2, and line that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Answer of a is 6 and b is 8 and c is 3. So method is, in place of x in the equation put abscissa, that becomes 6 into -1 plus 8 into, in place of y we will put 2 and plus 3 and divided by square root of coefficients of squares of x and y, that is 6 square plus 8 squares mod. Simplification: this is -6, this is plus 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19 minus 6 13. So the answer become 13 upon 6 square plus 8 square, this is what, 10, because 36 plus 6400 square root is 10. So the distance of the equation line 6x plus 8y plus 3 is equals to 0 from the point whose coordinates are -1, 2 is 13 by 10, or you can say it is 1.3 units. Now I am taking one problem where I will explain you how to find the distance between two parallel lines. As it is written here, distance between two parallel lines, this we need to calculate. The lines are 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0 and 8x plus 10y plus 3 is equals to 0. Lines are very much clearly parallel because a1 upon a2 is here 4 upon 8 half. b1 upon b2 is 5 upon 10, that to be half, and c1 upon c2 is -20 by 3. So what we can say, that result a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, which is the condition of two linear equations to be parallel. So lines are parallel. Now I would like to explain you how to find the distance between these two parallel lines. Lines are 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0. Another is 8x plus 10y plus 3 is equals to 0. Method of finding the distance between the two parallel lines is, in one of the line, take either x is 0 or y is 0. Say for example, in the first, that is 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0, x I am taking as 0. If x is 0, what implies this? The answer of y will be 4. So the coordinates become 0, 4. This become x1 and this become y1. That is 0, 4 is a point which is satisfying our first line. And between two parallel lines, distance is always equal. So that's why from 0, 4, we will find the distance of the second line with the help of previous result, that is with the method of finding the distance of a line from a point. So in place of x in second equation, we will write 0 plus 10 into we will write 4 plus 3 divided by root of 8 square plus 10 square and its mod. This become 0, this become 40 plus 3 become 43 upon 100 plus 64, this become square root of 164. This is the distance between two parallel lines. That is, method is very simple. Take any of the line, which two lines are parallel, one of the value either of x or y will be considered 0. Then by putting that, we will get another value, that is value of y, and we will consider this coordinate as x1, y1, and then we will find with the same approach of finding of a distance of a line from one point as discussed with you in previous and here also. Now I am taking something where we will discuss that how to find the equation of a line if it is given that it is parallel to some given line. Suppose there is a line AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0. We need to calculate the equation of a line which is parallel to it. I told you that all parallel lines in a plane having same slope, equal slope. If there are n number of lines which are parallel, slope of one of the line is suppose k, it means each line will have the slope k if they are parallel, or if slopes of some lines are equal, lines will be parallel. I want to explain you what is the method of finding the equation of the line which is parallel to the given line. The line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. How we will find the equation of the line which is parallel to this? Formula is ax plus by plus lambda is equals to 0. That is, only constant will change. There will be no change in the sign and in the coefficients. If I explain you it with the help of one example, that is, find the equation of a line which is parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 70 is equals to 0. But that line which is parallel to this is passing through a point whose coordinates are 1, 0. To obtain the value of lambda, there will be some condition. That condition is we want to find the equation of a line which is parallel to the given line 3x plus 4y minus 70 is equals to 0. Suppose this is the line L and this is L1, this is M1. If this line L1 and M1 are parallel, then there will be no change in the coefficients and sign of x and y. 3x plus 4y plus lambda is equals to 0, as constant needs to be changed. But it is given this line is parallel to given line and passing through 1 comma 0. It means 1 comma 0 will satisfy required line. That's mean in place of x put 1, in place of y put 0. This become 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus lambda is equals to 0. So this become 3 plus lambda is equals to 0. So the answer of lambda is minus 3. Now the question is, put the value of lambda as minus 3 here to get the final answer. That become 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equals to 0 is the equation of the line which is parallel to the given line passing through 1 comma 0. Now I am telling you how to find the equation of a line if it is perpendicular to given line. Suppose the question is that find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to 2x plus 7y minus 8 is equals to 0 and passing through the point whose coordinates are 1 comma 3. The question is find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. This is perpendicular to 2x plus 7y minus 8 is equals to 0. So the method of finding the perpendicular is, first of all, the coefficients of x and y will be swapped. So this becomes 7x and this becomes 2y. And mandatory change the sign of y, this become negative. Reason behind is that product of slopes of two perpendicular lines is minus 1 and constant always needs to change whether lines are parallel or perpendicular. So the equation of a line which is perpendicular to 2x plus 7y minus 8 is equals to 0 in general is, first rule, swap their coefficients and then change the sign of y. Replace the constant by lambda. This line is passing through the point 1 comma 3. Meaning by this will be 7 into 1 minus 2 into 3 plus lambda is equals to 0. So this tells you, gives you lambda is equals to minus 1. 7 minus 6, that is what? 1. And when transferred, it become minus 1. So replace the value of lambda here. We will get the equation of the required line which is perpendicular to the given line 2x plus 7y minus 8 is equals to 0 and passing through the point 1 comma 3 is 7x minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now I want to tell you how to find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from a given point to the given line. There is a situation that a point with coordinates 1 comma minus 2. From this point a perpendicular is drawn on the line 2x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Situation is that this line is perpendicular to 2x minus y minus 3 is equals to 0 as foot of perpendicular word is here. So 2x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Equation of any line perpendicular to it is x plus 2y plus lambda is equals to 0. Why? Coefficients, numbers will swap, 1 will go to x, 2 will go to y, this negative will be positive because sign of y needs to be changed and constant will be replaced by lambda. This is the equation of every perpendicular on 2x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. But we need to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from 1 comma minus 2. So it means that this will be satisfied by 1 comma minus 2. So in place of x1, 1 into 1, 2 into minus 2 plus lambda is equals to 0, that is lambda is equals to 3. Minus 4 plus 1 become minus 3 and lambda is equals to 3. So if we replace it here, this will be x plus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. As this is the net equation of this line and this is the equation on which perpendicular is falling, if we solve these two, we will get x as minus 1 and y as minus 1. So we conclude the coordinates of the point M, that is foot of the perpendicular, is minus 1 comma minus 1. If same problem is required to find the image of the point. To find the image of the point, we can take here the coordinates of foot of perpendicular in this situation are minus 1 comma minus 1. Image is exactly at the equal distance from foot to this point. This is alpha comma beta. This become alpha plus 1 upon 2 is minus 1 and beta minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1 because it is midway. So 1 plus alpha upon 2 is minus 1. This become alpha is equals to minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 and beta become 0 because it is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 will cancel. So the image of this point under this line is minus 3 comma 0. These are the coordinates of the image and these are the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. So this is the approach of finding the foot of perpendicular and image of the point under the given line.